Today, I'm going to show you how to create this footer. We're going to have the logo, the contact and location section. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to create our footer now. The first problem I see is that our frame is too big. So first, select the frame, scroll down, and then just drag it up, and it will lessen the height. So let's try a small footer first. Okay, so let's try some different colors. I'm gonna go with a light color. Okay, I'm going to increase the height of our frame first. So first, select the frame and then just drag it out, and then do the same with the footer section. Next, I'm gonna group everything, right click and select group, then rename it to footer. Next, I'm gonna put the name, or you can put a logo right here. So I'm gonna use the name. I'm gonna get the name from the top, but first make sure that your frame is not locked. If it is, unlock it, then just click the text box, drag your mouse over the name, then press Ctrl C to copy the name, then just create a text box and then just put the name in. Now I'm gonna put the text box in the footer group. To do that, just drag it in to the footer group. Next, I'm gonna change the font style. To do that, go to the right, type in the name of the font, and then just select it. Next, looking at our dummy data, I'm gonna add the location and the contact section. I'm just gonna copy it, create a text box, and just paste it in. Next, I'm gonna remove any unnecessary data. I'm gonna copy the contact information. I'm gonna need an area for contact data. So I'm just gonna drag, press Alt, and then release to duplicate this. I'm gonna paste in the dummy contact information. I'm gonna add a dummy phone number and a dummy email. I'm gonna resize the font so that it looks good. Now let's add an address to our location. I want to add a better address than this, so I'm going to use a plugin. I'm going to use this one and just click run. Click address and it will generate an address for you. Copy it and paste it in. Next, I'm going to change the color for our contact and location. Okay, so we are done with the footer section. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.